confirm one-click entries, it's kind of a sort of training wheels. If you have your settings to one click on your manual, it's basically for your manual trading for the buttons. So if you have your manual trading set to one-click entry, then if you set this to true, then it won't enter right away. It'll actually give you one more confirmation pop-up to answer yes or no to. Let's see if we can do it now. Right? Okay, I'm going to set my manual setting. It already is one click. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Alright, I'm going to try to sell one of these. This is probably not a bad idea, right? So I'm going to say sell. Alright, it brought up an alert window. Instead of entering, it brought up an alert window. It says manual trade short, one click entry, enter trade. So it gives me one more chance. If I hit yes this time, it'll be in. As soon as I click yes, it's an entry. If I decide no, or maybe I accidentally hit the buy button while dragging the chart up and it slipped and it clicked the buy button, instead of it getting me in, it gave me this. So it's a level of safety that I recommend you use, honestly. If you can get comfortable using it, fine, then you won't have any accidents. But not that accidents have been a problem, but that's up to you. Okay, I'm going to cancel this idea.